Hey, we're back with another video. Can you put a like and subscribe down below? We're going to start off with this one, which is Social Club Rocks. You're going to get this template where it says step-by-step guide. It could be under the description box of the video you're watching. It could be on our website, but it'll be there. There might be a link provided for you. You're going to click on this. It's going to bring you to a web page. You're going to go down, you're going to hit sign up. You're just going to copy and paste all your info in here. You're going to go down and put your username in that you want, your chat handle, your Telegram ID. So we'll copy and paste our Telegram ID into there. Put our chat handle. Put a chat handle or username up here. Click here to verify. You're just going to slide this icon right over. Match the puzzle. Verified. Then you're going to go down here and click here to register. Now that we're verified, we can log in with our username and email. Type in the password you want, go to your email, you'll receive instructions. So your email will give you your login name and it will give you also a password. Verify to log in. Bring this over, put that there. Do that. There we go, verified, hit login. So now you're going to come to this page, it's going to ask for a new password. Put the current password that it sent to you into that box. Hit change password so you have your password that you want. It's updated successfully. You can go into here and it will say claim over on this side here. You can claim that. Success drop has been claimed, added to your balance. I guess there's a second airdrop in this one, which is good. So you click on that. So both airdrops are claimed. So you can set up your 2FA. If you want, you're probably got to set it up to release coins off your platform. But you've instantly got coins in there, 1,000 of each. This is a great airdrop. And you could probably take it right to an open source market here. We'll take a look here, we'll see what it does. Yeah, so you can go trade your rock off if you want and get money for that one. And you can also go trade this coin as well for whatever you want to. Yeah, so this is the end of this airdrop. It looks like it's a gaming platform, the rock coin. This one I haven't looked up yet because it's brand new. It's not even part of the airdrop, but we got it included. So after this video, can you just put a like and subscribe down below? We got more videos coming up. In the new year, we're also going to be doing a live stream. Okay, thank you and have a good day.